Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can use the BeReal app. So go ahead and open your BeReal account. And here, as you can see, I have no friends who have posted yet, so I'm going to be the first one. Just tap on Take Your BeReal and your camera will open up. So what BeReal does is it takes a picture of whatever is in front of you, and it also uses your front camera to take a picture of you simultaneously. So this is done within a specific time frame. As you can see, there is a timer and it's limited to 2 minutes. So you will get a prompt to do this every day at any random time via a notification from BeReal. So make sure that you allow BeReal to send you notifications, and then you can just tap send to send it to either your friends only or to a global audience. Now, if you want to change your photos and the 2 minutes timer hasn't ended yet, then you can do so by tapping on the X button on the upper right, and then it will allow you to retake your photos. Once you're done, then just tap send and upload it. You can also add a caption here, whatever you'd like. For example, even add a sticker and tap send. So once you have posted, your friends will also be notified that you have posted a BeReal, and they will be prompted to do the same. Now, if you want to add friends to your BeReal account, then just make sure to connect your contacts to BeReal so that it automatically just suggests people who are on BeReal that you can invite to be friends with. So if you're settled, then just tap add, and then they will be sent invites, and you can start receiving photos from them, and then you can also send them photos the same way. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.